So VDM went to China to spoil business for people, especially our Igbo brothers. As you can see, many of them are on social media complaining why would VDM go to China to spoil business for them, especially the Blord business. Wait, let me explain.
Very dark man, why are you trying so hard to damage the Igbo man's business in China, all in the name that we are trying to help Nigerians? Don't you know that business is all about secret?
You know, when I come on this social media to tell you people that the people waiting to steal are more than the people stealing in power. Now, tell me the difference. Blord brought iPhone XR packaged in iPhone 17 and is selling it for 450,000. And VDM, who is in China, also brought the same product to sell it 280,000 naira, meaning that Blord is making almost 80% profit. Wait, listen to Blord.
This phone can do airdrop, it does everything. Just that saying an SR dey inside for inside 17 Pro body, that's the only thing. And it's selling for 450k. Don't go and buy the one they sell second-hand SR. I will give you 6 months warranty.
Now, listen to Very Dark Man.
How much is this phone? This phone is going for, to deliver them for Nigeria now, 280,000 naira. 9 bill of saying at 450,000. This phone is 280. Bill of own now 128 gig. I can get you the one of 256 gig. I'm going to put a number now on my screen. Right? There's a number on my screen. Contact them on WhatsApp.
You see the difference? Blord is selling 450k and VDM find out that the price is 280k. In fact, VDM also put the number that people can order direct. Now, tell me the difference between Blord and the average Nigerian politician. If Blord become a politician today or senator or a governor, won't he pad budgets? That is the question. So every time we come on social media here, we will blame our politician, the president, the senators, the commissioners for embezzling money, padding budget and all that. See, you see those youths who never collect power. The worst. So now for those our Igbo brother complaining, oh, you went to China to spoil a business. See, the sky is so big to accommodate everybody. It is your greediness that make you feel like VDM is spoiling business for you. Because tell me, how will you want to make profit of 200% in one product and you will still complaining that the country is not good? We are complaining that things are expensive. Look at this Blord is making profit of almost 80%, more than, let's just say 95% profit on one iPhone, on one. And you think, I think we are not doomed. We have a society problem that we want to take every opportunity to cheat each other. So you see now that it is the people that make up the politicians at the top. So next time you're complaining about your politicians embezzling money, remember, ask yourself, if you're in that position, with the little position you have today, how are you embezzling? For example, Blord is currently embezzling because he discovered that XR to iPhone 17 Pro Max business, he decided to use 95% interest or profit on it. And people couldn't buy them, not knowing that it could be cheaper and you still make your profits. What do we call this? It is greediness. Anyway, I might be wrong. I will still order that VDM own.